Hey guys, it's Robbie, your content and community manager of Storylines, the AI video editor that handles all the painful parts of post-production. Welcome to another episode of Storylines University, the only university that you don't have to join an ultimate frisbee team. Today we're talking about a really nifty Storylines feature, reprompting. Imagine you've uploaded a video to Storylines. If you enter a simple summary, the Storylines AI will do a pretty good job of selecting the best clips out of a wide range of topics. But storytelling is a pretty iterative process, and you might have a certain topic or angle that you want to anchor your edit on. Maybe you were there for the original recording of the video and you remember the guest talking about how he thinks that the Dogecoin is going to replace the euro in about 10 years. He didn't say they had to be smart topics, but topics nonetheless. You can ask Storylines AI to focus on this topic by entering a story prompt when you import your file. So you can talk directly to the AI and guide it to the topics you want it to edit around. But say you have a whole range of topics for multiple outputs that you have in mind. Maybe you have 1 more, 2 more, 10 more, I don't know your life. So we made this fancy new button called Reprompt. Let's put this into action. You are editing an interview and you would like to release multiple highlights, all covering different topics. Once you've combed through your first batch of clips, you can now reprompt our AI to get a whole new batch of clips depending on what context you give it. Then after a few moments, Storylines AI will add a new collection of clips to your project named after the prompt that you gave it. You can keep inputting new prompts to create a collection of clips depending on the context you provide the AI. This is perfect for organizing your highlights, finding the best clips for specific topics, and making sure that you have the cream of the crop to post to your socials. As always, you can seamlessly export to Premiere, Final Cut Pro, and Resolve to refine your edit further and add those extra layers of polish that a pro editor expects on a final output. So if you're looking for more control for your AI selected soundbites, Storylines prompting puts you in the driver's seat so you can get your best clips faster and more efficiently. Want to try it? Sign up today at storylines.video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.